Sir, where you from?
Turkiye.
Turkey?
Yeah.
You, who's this?
This is Imran Khan.
You like Imran Khan?
We love this guy.
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay,
I
brother,
love you,
let
man.
me tell you one thing. This guy, don't miss him.
Yeah, man.
Don't miss him. This guy is a great leader in the nation, in the Islamic world. You understand? So if you guys miss that, you're gonna have the consequences for that. Trust me.
Yes.
This guy, nobody know him. The people from Pakistan, they don't know the value of this guy.
Yes.
So this guy is a blessing on the Muslim community, ummah, right?
Yes.
So let's see what happens. I will always unconditional love with Imran Khan.
Wow.
Unconditional love.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too, man. Take care.
Take care.